Hi everyone, in this video I will guide you how to draw a line above text in Microsoft Word. In the first method you need to click on the insert and on the right side you will see the option equation. Click on that and after that on the menu bar you will see that accent. You need to click on accent and scroll a little down and you will see that overbar option. You need to click on that and click in the box and type the desired text. And here you can see that the line is just above the text. This is italic. You can select it and go to the home and uncheck the italic. In the second method, you need to click on the insert and click on the shapes and click the line. And after that, press the control key and drag the mouse to put a straight line just above the text. And then right click and go to the format, shape, and here is the outline. Click on that and select the line weight. It is 1 pt and you can change also the color of line, which is red. I'm selecting, and also you can choose the dashes if you want to and click more lines to find more options in the format shape menu bar. You can also select the gradient line and select the first color, which is green, and type is the linear. You can also choose the direction and select the second color, which is orange, and slide the mix and match. Here you can see that gradient colors are mix and matching by sliding this option. You can also increase the transparency or decrease the transparency. You can also increase the brightness, and that you can also play the other options if you want to. So in this way you can draw a line above text in MS Word. If this video helps and fix your problem, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.